Welcome to our power supply comparison video. Today, we are putting the CORSAIR RM750x and the ARESGAME AGV650 head-to-head. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The CORSAIR RM750x boasts an 80 PLS Gold certification, indicating high energy efficiency and lower electricity costs over time. In contrast, the ARESGAME AGV650 is rated at 80 PLUS Bronze, which, while still efficient, does not match the superior performance of the RM750x. This difference can significantly impact long-term operational costs, especially for high-performance systems. The fully modular design of the CORSAIR RM750x allows users to connect only the cables they need, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. On the other hand, the ARESGAME AGV650 features a non-modular design, which can lead to excess cables cluttering your case. This can affect airflow and overall aesthetics, making the RM750x a more appealing choice for those who prioritize cable management. When it comes to warranty, the CORSAIR RM750x offers an impressive 10-year warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in its durability and reliability. In contrast, the ARESGAME AGV650 provides a 5-year warranty, which, while decent, does not match the extensive coverage of the RM750x. A longer warranty can provide peace of mind for users investing in a power supply, making the RM750x a more secure choice. In conclusion, the CORSAIR RM750x stands out with its superior efficiency, modular design, and longer warranty, making it an excellent choice for high-performance builds. The ARESGAME AGV650, while more budget-friendly, sacrifices some features that may be important for serious gamers and PC builders. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.